So y'all, me and my daughter is out here. I want you to stop thinking that every bug in your garden is a nuisance or shouldn't be there. Let me show you what showed up on our cucumbers. So as you see here, these are lady beetle pupa. Again, lady beetle pupa, ladybug. Now I'm gonna go on the other side and show you. Here's some more. Right here. There's some more over there. Uh-oh. Over there, there's some more on that asparagus leaf there, right there. Now, they're only high right now from what I can see. But I'm going to go to the other side so that you can see there's another one. Focus. They're only high right now from what I can see. But I'm going to go to the other side so that you can see there's another one. Focus. Focus. I knew I saw her crawling. Here she is right here. Isn't she beautiful? And she's so big you can tell that she's pregnant. See her crawling on the leaf? See her crawling on the leaf? She's under the leaf now. Oh, she just fell. I just saw her fall. And she's probably a little heavy, but she'll fly back up. She just fell. But here's some more of her babies down here. Those are her babies. And they will grow up to be adults. And they usually do this. Here's another one coming about. Uh-oh. Sorry, y'all, I got a low battery flash. But there's another one coming about on this leaf right here. There's so many. There's another one over here on this asparagus leaf right here. Here's some more. Let me get you in focus here. Right here and right there. So she has eaten all of the aphids. Now, I'm not saying that I saw aphids, but I know this is how this works. When you build an ecosystem in your garden, it will work for you. You won't have to worry about always hunting down pests. And when you take notice of when you see certain things before it gets to the invasion of pests. What I mean by that, if I go up to my bean plant or my my cucumber plant and I see ants traveling back and forth, I'm going to watch to see where those ants are going. And I guarantee you, I'm going to find that they're farming aphids when there's a bunch of them going back and forth. At that time, I'm going to spray all those aphids off, and then I'm going to put a little something down to make sure them ants don't come back. And what I tend to use when that happens is just normal Dawn dish detergent from the kitchen and water. That's the only thing I put in the spray bottle. So when y'all hear me talk about spraying, I'm spraying my acetyl soap. That's what it is. So there you go. That's the recipe. And make sure you take a look at your plants. Come out to your garden every day. Now there's some other little critters on here, but they're not critters that will harm anything. Once again, garden yourselves accordingly. This was Lady Empress. I'm going to go over here because I got some okra that I got to pluck off. Ooh, cucumbers on this one. Rocky made. I'm in the garden of Empress, where she is ravishing. Y'all, I am a gardener that truly enjoys being out in the garden. I love to have my curiosity spiked when I see something that I'm unfamiliar with or when I see something that I know was coming. I truly enjoyed my daughter being out here in the garden with me today. I love to teach. I just love everything about the garden. But I struggled in the beginning with putting this content out on YouTube because it makes me vulnerable in my garden. This is a personal space for me. But here I am. of this forest. See that one swarming? You have a few behind there. Some of them there. Look at that beauty. Look at her. Look at her. Jesus. Got a nice big thick one back there. You see that? Some of these are way over ready. The one behind it, that extra long one. Sweet and sour. That's fine. Got one right here in front of you. Nope. Right there. That big one. You see it? Behind the stalk. It's the one poking up. You see the edge poking up right there? Oh, shoot. Now, y'all, this okra literally got away from me. You know how you come out there and you're harvesting, and lately we've been having so much rain, and we love to get the rain. The garden loves the rain. And you keep saying, oh, I forgot to get the okra, because you've been and harvested a whole basket, and you're like, I'm going to go back out there. I'm going to go back out there. I'm going to get back out there. I'm going to go between the rain. Well, I finally made it back out there. Sucker. And y'all, that was an ant that bit me, that I was calling a sucker. Bit me right on my arm. The bush. But you know, I like being out in the garden. The garden inspires me, you know, to look around and see all the food that you have to bring in for your family. All of what God has allowed us to participate in co-creation with Him to grow, to provide food for your family. It pleases my heart. Y'all, the garden inspires me, and I want you to be inspired. Remember, I told you how I struggled about putting content out on YouTube because of the vulnerability of my garden. But I had to regroup and think about that, because there are many out there that are over the age of 50 like I am that may feel it's too late to get started. I want you to know it's never too late. Just start. That's all you need to do is just start. Okay. God will take you the rest of the way. All the okra now. Y'all, it's growing like wild weeds over here. That's how big the okra plant is. Between that and them beans. Yeah, the beans are coming over, doing their own thing too. Oh, we got some red chilies back there. I see one red chili. You see it right in front of you. Yeah. I know I said this already, but I really appreciate my daughter being out here in the garden with me. And to see her harvesting and feeling inspired, seeing new things, seeing how things work, how they come together, because she was there when these seeds was planted, and to see what it grew, the amazement on her face is satisfaction. Now over here was or is two of my pepper plants. I can't even remember which pepper it is. I think they're either cayenne or some type of chili, but I thought they were struggling. But they're showing me now how they're not. Let me pull when I planted out these seeds for peppers, I had the intention of making my own smoked paprika. But I was working during the time, labels got mixed up, different plants got planted in different areas, and I did not stay up on this. So I'm still going to try. Those are Roma tomatoes to make the smoked paprika. They're doing all right. But yeah, I like that red one there. The garden is beautiful. Okay, that pepper at the bottom.
And that one over there.
Yeah, this one may need to sit. See if you pull up on it, if it'll snap off. If it doesn't just snap off, it ain't ready. Yep. And then we got one over there. These are the other chilies coming in over here. And oh, I didn't show you the bell pepper. We got some bell peppers coming here. I've harvested basil. We got chilies over there. We got more bell peppers back here. Both of those plants. And we got about 7 bell peppers over here. We need to check those. Can you see those? Oh, here's some tomatoes.
Bell peppers.
The one you had to stand up, the bell pepper you stood up.
They're getting there.
Okay, but they not ready yet.
I don't know. How big they could be?
As big as you want them. They the yellow wonders.
Well, they ain't yellow, they green.
No, they YOLO wonders. And every bell pepper starts out green.
So you have a little baby, a miniature baby.
$100 sweet potatoes going good. Got some beans coming up that's gonna latch on to the fence. Alocasia doing well. More tomatoes up here to pick. And banana peppers. And I have a bell pepper growing right here. Also, 2 bell peppers. My bad. I gotta stand up that piece of tomato bush. Won't be doing it today though. Oh, you already got this other pepper?
Yeah.
From over
got
here.
The red tomatoes on this side. I can grab those. You see the bell pepper?
Nope, I can't see them. Oh yeah, it's quite a few of them. That's in the front, and then there's some more in the back. Very well. You need me to hold the basket so you can grab those tomatoes?
No, they come off.
Y'all, to grow your own tomatoes, I can't stress it enough. Like, the taste of homegrown tomatoes are so different than what you get in the store. And I love that about gardening. Got some by your head over there on the fence. You know, I don't ever want to lose that. The garden is special to me. It has its own uniqueness. Everyone's garden is special. Okay, my battery is about to die, y'all, so I don't want you not to be able to get a proper ending. But we're just doing a quick harvest out here before the rain comes. And I want to thank you for being here on the channel. That's a leaf-footed bug. We need a vacuum for them. He put that little edging on that one. You see that at the top of it?
Yeah.
See that edging? That's what they do.
Okay.
Yeah, there he is up here, y'all. He hopping. He trying to get away because they know I get them out of the mess. Let me see if I can get him. Oh, he done flew. See, So y'all, my video cut off. I know I'm not the only one who's been going through video recording problems, but I ordered some shepherd hooks. I placed one of those out with also another bird feeder, and I had visitors just 30 minutes afterwards. Yeah, we had about 17 okra. I don't know how many tomatoes. We had those chilies and some banana peppers and some Hungarian
banana peppers that we harvested. This okra was grown here on our land. I planted out seeds that was grown here, and this is what we got. We will be utilizing the okra for okra water or a rinse for our hair to pour over our locks. Remember, okra water helps you with digestion. But I hate to end the video here, but I am. This is Lady Empress. Garden yourselves accordingly.